back at Disneyland.
They got a hot new item that I picked up today because I dressed for the warmth and it's cold now. It's the World of Color, Walt Disney. Nice little vintage hoodie. It was $64.99 with my discount. After tax, it was $63. It's nice. I like it. I don't want to put it on yet because I'm like, I wore my new Studio House Strangers shirt and it's cold. Right now we're going to go to Jolly Holiday and get the grilled cheese and tomato soup that's back. It's one of our favorite things here, so I'm excited.
Yeah, we're going to get on Indiana Jones and we have...
Oh, yeah, Splash Mountain before it closes.
So it's going to be a good day.
Just hope it warms up.
That too.
Holiday. I haven't had the grilled cheese and tomato soup in a long time. What'd you get?
The beef fry sandwich.
Is it good?
Yeah. Pretty good.
Yeah.
On last ride, baby.
Yep. We're gonna ride the canoes for our first time. You'll be okay, Gustavo. They just got off the canoe. What'd you think of it?
It was fun. It was
Definitely an upper body workout.
for sure. It was fun though. But
the little girl behind him like splashed his whole side. His pants are soaking wet.
so like there's one side of my body that's all wet and the other is dry.
It's okay. We'll fix that because we're gonna go Splash Mountain. Now we're heading into Star Wars.
Yeah.
Batu.
Yeah, it's a great area. Oh yeah.
Andrea, is that the cantina? We can see it.
Oh, I finally got to see the Mandalorian
Yeah, you did.
and Grogu.
Or the baby Yoda, like you like to say.
He's Baby Yoda to me. Oh, it's R2-D2.
Oh, look, I've never seen R2-D2.
That's so cool. He's gonna...
If I could control him, I would. He's fierce. Yeah, that's
Hey.
I like your Wookiee.
Man, Star Wars is popping today. We got R2-D2, I got Chewie, and Rey.
What we got here, Jennifer?
The Tendo swirl. I got the nerds on top. You know, they call them candy pebbles. Those are nerds.
Uh-huh.
Let's see. Pretty good. I actually like this better. I like the nerds.
Yeah, pretty good.
Is it a good flavor?
Pretty good.
So how was your last ride of Splash Mountain here?
Oh, I got the front row. And it went from 10 to 11 on the water. Like, I'm so drenched. Let me see if I can speak. Nah, but I'm really drenched in water.
Here. I need to dump my shoes out right now.
Oh, you have to dump your shoes out?
There's like a puddle of water in my shoe.
That was fun though, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Cooled off now.
Time to
Just hope we dry off before it starts getting cold out.
definitely. So, Splash Mountain really left my shorts really wet. That there's
It's
no
been
way.
a few hours. 2 hours later.
2 hours later, it hasn't dried, so I had to go buy shorts.
Baby. Oh, Was
the
it
child.
the child? I always call him Baby Yoda. It's just what I call him. Star Wars. So we're back at California Adventure. Forgot to say that earlier. I don't remember the last thing I recorded. Anyways, some info I wish I knew, like almost 2 years ago now. If you have Genie Plus, you can book 2 lightning lanes at the same time. I had no idea this entire time. Like, I never attempted it because I thought you just couldn't do it, and I attempted it, so I got Guardians and Incredicoaster right now. So I wish I knew because I really wanted to get on Indiana Jones today. That's all good. But I wish I was able to like record it, but we did meet our first Avenger officially, finally. It was Captain America, aka Steve Rogers. He was awesome.
Very nice guy.
Yeah, firm handshake.
Firm handshake for sure.
But we were trying to meet Spider-Man, but they cut off the line. So maybe next time.
Maybe next time.
But we're gonna ride it Incredicoaster and then.
I don't know what we'll do after that. We'll
I
see
don't
what
know.
happens.
Maybe get some ice cream.
All right.
All right.
People are ready.
There you guys have it. Another beautiful day at Disneyland. Got to go on Splash Mountain for the last time. It's closing May 30th, and we won't be back till June 1st. So, yeah, had a good time. Made an adventure.
Yeah.
Had my favorite meal from Jolly Holiday. I got to do almost everything I wanted to do today. How about you?
We did everything what we wanted to do.
All right.
We got to go to Star Wars Land.
Oh yeah, I finally got to see Baby Yoda. I mean, Grogu. Whatever. To me, he's Baby Yoda. I don't care.
And got Splash Mountain. We'll try Indiana Jones next time.
Yeah, I haven't been on it since they refurbished it, so it's always a long wait and it always breaks down. So next time. Oh, and I got this awesome sweatshirt, which I love.
And I got these cool shorts.
Oh yes, Star Wars.
My comfortable shorts. Yeah. All right. Bye, everyone.
Thanks for watching.